Okay, I have something in my hands right now, and I'm so excited about this. You don't know how much I love colorful medical supplies, but this is on a whole other level. I can't even just wait for it. Oh my gosh, look at this thing. It's not just a pink plunger, it's not just a pink cap, it's everything. Just like someone sat down and said, let's make a fully pink insulin syringe, and I'm here for it. But here's the thing, it's not just pretty, it's functional. Look at this. First, the needle cap is octagonal, 8 sides. You can actually feel each flat face when you twist it. And the plunger cap, this is where it gets even better, is hexagonal, 16 sides, way more traction. And on top of that, they added these tiny linear ridges, little raised lines forming around it. So when you're holding it, your fingers just lock in, no slipping, especially if your hands are sweaty or wet. That's such a thoughtful touch. Now specs. This little beauty is packing some serious details. Needle is 8mm, 31 gauge, super thin, less tissue damage, less pain. And the volume is 1 milliliter. Everything comes in a sterile, peel open pouch. Simple, clean, and absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna be honest, this is the prettiest syringe I've ever held. If you want more medical gear content, drop a comment and tell me which color should I find next. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.